Hello friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. Today I am recommending a small cap company for a short term period because everyone want short term recommendation. No one like the long term recommendation. So I decided to put a video for a short term purpose only. This company is from a textile space, good management company. But I am very much bullish about this company. Even this recommendation is for a short term period. If anyone can hold this share for a period of 1 year, can get a multifold returns. But this company is a very good fundamental company. So I only recommend fundamentally good companies only. Even if it is for short term period, if anything happen to stock market comes down, please don't be panic. Hold this share. You will get good return because the business model of the company is very good. Before coming to the company, if anyone is watching my channel first time, please subscribe my channel. Please share to my channel to friends and relatives and like it. The name of the company is The Trident Limited. I had recommended this company 7 months back at the rate of 7 rupees for a target of 14 rupees, 100% return. And it achieved the target, and many of my clients and including me sell that share when it reached 14 rupees. But some of my clients are still holding that share. Last week, the share achieved its year-time high of 1970. From that level, it got some correction and now it was trading at 16 rupees 20 paisa. So when it was traded 1970, so many clients asked me whether to sell this share. I asked everyone to hold the share if they are a patient investor. Now this share is traded at 16 rupees 17 paisa. Last traded price, last closing price of the company is 60 rupees 70 paisa. So why this? I recommend this company for short term purpose. Within 2 weeks period, I recommend this company because I happened to read an announcement on June 10th regarding their production of May. It was very good. When I see that result, I am really impressed by the company. In May quarter, their production was increased drastically. You have to keep one thing in mind that this is COVID period. Even in this COVID period, they have increased their production capacity, and this will be reflected in the June quarter result. So if unlocking happens, there will be a great jump in the sales of the company. Moreover, the product of the company is very good. They are the manufacturers of terry towels, bath towels, as well as cotton bed sheets. They are very famous for these two items. They are well-known branded in many of the countries. Their main business comes from exporting. 75% of their incomes are coming from exporting. They are exporting to USA and Europe, and it's many, I think more than 10 countries they are exporting. In all these countries, the product of this company is highly valuable. I think Indians may not know about this product of this company, but most of the countries know the product of Trident. The quality of the product is very good, and moreover, they also manufacture the luxury bath towels also. It is have a very high demand in the European market. But come to this point, which on the basis of I recommend this share for next week. I will just read the production figures. Okay, the production of bath linen, bath towels jumped 141% to 5,122 metric tons in May 2021, and the bed linens, that is bed linens soared to 101% to 3.04 million metric tons. Bed sheets. In former year, in 2020, they have production of only 1.5 metric tons. In that place, they have produced 3.4 million metric tons of bed sheets this May period. That's very good. And then yarn production surged 135% to 10,311 metric tons. The same period of last year, it was a production of only 4,386 crores. In place of 4,386 crores, they produced 10,311 metric tons. And one more thing is that their main production is textiles, but they are diversified the field to chemicals and paper industries also. So in paper and chemical industries, paper production spurted to 28% to 12,569 metric tons. As well as in chemicals also, there is a jump of 76.25%. We all know the chemical sector are a well-focused sector now. So they are going to focus more on chemical industry also. They are given, the management had given a comment about that. So chemical sector jumped 76.25% to 9,046 metric ton. So on the basis of this news, even in this corona period, they are increasing their production, and this increasing production and sale of the material will be reflected in the June quarter result. So if you hold for next result, I think it will be traded about 26-27 rupees. This is the main thing I want to note. And when we value the company, the face value company is only 1 rupees. Then the quarter result, March quarter result, they have shown 76 crore profit versus 39 crores last year. Only drawbacks that she sees that they had equity capital company is very high, 509 crore capitals are there. When it comes to shareholding percents, the promoters share of the company are holding 71% of the equity on 2020 March. They increased the stake to 71.6% on June 2020, and again they hiked their stake to 73% on the March 2021. So that means the promoters are very much interested in the company. They are slowly increasing their stake, as well as FIOs are also interested in the company. They are having 1.69% stake in the company. Moreover, the veteran investors like Doligana, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, and so many other veteran investors are already invested in this company. So they have a vested interest in this company, which is also a plus point for the company. And when we look at the Friday delivery percentage, it is also very high. There is near about 67% delivery was seen on Friday. That is a good mark. And if we come to the technical side also, if you check the candlestick, anything else, it had a support at 16 rupees level. It had a high support at 60 level. If it breaks 16 and comes down, the next support is 15 rupees. So the downside risk is very low. Otherwise, if it cuts 60 rupees 70 paisa, the next target will be 18 rupees 10 paisa. And if it again goes and cut 90 rupees 60 paisa, it may go to 23 or 25 levels. So don't wait for 23 levels. I expect this share to go to 19. It will cut 19. At least it will go to 19 rupees 40 paisa 60 levels within 2 weeks. At that time, you can book profit because you will get 10% profit within a period of 10 days or 12 days. You will not get in any other market. So if in any case, if anything adverse happened to the market and the share price comes down, don't be panic, because this company had a good fundamentals also. So we can able to predict the movement of the price at the particular moment, I always said. And also I am also not interested to recommend for a shorter period, but I selected this company because this company had fundamentals. If the 1 or 2 more result came, it will easily go to 23-25 rupees level. So from 160 rupees 70 paisa, you can take entry into the company for a target of 90 rupees. That is 10% separation of this level for short term period. And those who are interested to hold the share for a long term period, my target is 100 rupees, but it will take time. Okay. So one more thing I would like to tell that some of my past recommendation about CDSL. I recommend the share at 486 rupees for a target of 1000 rupees for short term, and for long term 2500 rupees. My short term target is achieved within a period of 3 months. The share was traded at 1000 rupees. If anyone wanted to book profit, can book profit, but they have compelled, they have to enter into the CDSL again at the lower level, because my long term target is 2500 rupees. And in case of TTML, I recommended it 14 rupees. and now shares is traded 23 rupees. This also is a very good company. If anyone view my video about TTML, may see the potential of the company. If that come into reality, it will fly high. But I don't know whether it will happen or not. But still, you are sitting in profit. You can book some profit and don't forget to re-enter at lower levels. And same like IDBI Bank, I recommend 31 rupees. Now it is trading at 39 rupees. 30% appreciation is other, but if diversification started and if any good company shows interest in the IDBI Bank, it will goes like anything. So please hold these two shares, or otherwise keep having a watch on this three company, because these three companies have achieved my target. That's why I am saying. And one more thing is I am happy to say that 95% of my recommendation achieved my target. I hope all of my viewers are benefiting from my recommendation. If so, keep watching and support my channel at your maximum. Thank you. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you very much.